Meet Katie, pediatrician, social media influencer, wife, and mom of two. You could say her life is pretty hectic.
Being that I'm a pediatrician and I work in an emergency room setting, my hours can be different and vary depending upon the shift that I take. I wanted to feel some safety, some security coming home at late hours, and that's why I found iDevices. The process was super easy. I went online, I picked out what works for me and my family. An electrician came out, the install was quick, it was easy, and now I've had so much fun customizing it to my needs and my family's needs. You know, it's interesting, I was attracted to iDevices for the security, but then I found that it was so convenient and helped me in so many different areas as a mother. Hey Siri, I'm home. So whether I have a bunch of things in my arms and I can't get to the lights, being able to say dinner time and have the lights come on and the television go off just makes life easier.
So iDevices is really the preeminent home automation company out there today. We use switches, dimmers, outlets, and thermostats to allow a consumer to really customize their home using the Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, as well as Apple's Siri.
Alexa, it's dinner time.
iDevices does have a unique feature in all of our products that we've developed, and it's a nightlight feature. The nightlight typically is purple when you take it out of the box and set it up, but it's a customizable light to any color that your heart desires, whether it's white all the way to pink, green, yellow, whatever it may be. So just a nice little hidden Easter egg for the customers to use in our products.
It's made bedtime really fun and easy with my children, and they're excited to be a part of the process. My daughter's favorite part of this whole experience has absolutely been the nightlight. I hope you have sweet dreams. What color did you pick for tonight?
Purple.
Okay, good. Night, love. Hey, Suri. Good night, Charlie.
Good night to you, too.
She can pick a different color every night, and then when she goes to bed, there's a nice glow.
I can see through the dark so I don't get scared.
The kids are asleep. The nightlight is amazing. Charlie absolutely loves picking out all the different colors. It's just really special to me. iDevices gives me that convenience, and it gives me time back to spend with the people that I love.
She can use our voice commands with Alexa, Siri, or Google's Assistant to really turn things on and off around the home, saving her precious minutes in the day. Those minutes can be put back into spending time with her kids and her husband, and that's what's most valuable.
And now it's time for movie night with my husband. Thanks, babe.
No problem.
Ugh, I'm so excited to relax.
Me too. Hey Siri, it's movie night. I'm so happy with iDevices. I like all the new technology integrating voice command with Siri and Alexa.
And it's just so nice. I love the convenience and just having that extra special time with our family.